Yeah.
Right. Okay. Just in one more second. Get started.
Hey, just give me 1 minute. Let me
Sure,
let the
sure.
cat out.
Please go ahead. Okay, you guys have confirmed that you can only see my browser. And, yeah. So please do keep your hands visible on the screen at all times. And everyone feel free to let someone know if you're not able to see their hands.
I'll also take a second lens.
Okay, good to go. This would be a bit better. Okay, sorry.
Yeah, Rajiv went away for a second. So we wait for him to come back. And okay, so I think we are set to go. I think the order for today is Gokul, Rajiv, Caleb, and Dylan. So all the best, everyone. So the first question, first round, coming up for Gokul. Which chef is recognized for bringing French cuisine to the American public with the cookbook Mastering the Art of French Cooking? In 2002, this chef was the inspiration for a cooking blog by Julie Powell. The blog was the basis of a future best-selling book that would then be turned into a movie. You have 10 seconds.
Julia Childs.
Julia Child is correct. Oh, I'm sorry. You're correct. That is Julia Child. Your second question coming up. Full name, please. Which Major League Baseball team got its nickname when it was accused of poaching Lou Bierbauer after the 1890 season? As a result, the team is also known as the Buccos, short for Buccaneers. The NFL team Steelers from this Smoky City also began life with the exact same nickname as the baseball team.
Pittsburgh Pirates.
That is correct. So 2 and 2 for Gokul. First question coming up for Rajiv. First recorded in 1518, which common two-word English phrase was followed by the words one string to mean playing the same note repeatedly? It probably got cut down to its present form by Shakespeare in Hamlet. Today, this cut down form means to dwell on a subject tiresomely or in a monotonous way. You have 5 seconds. I need an answer now.
Repeatedly harp.
Prompt. Okay, I think I'll give it to you. It's harp on, and so
harp on. Yeah.
Your second question for this round coming up. The 168 Project is a Californian Christian film festival. It involves the random assignment of verses based on themes from the scriptures to contestants. Question is, under what restriction does the film need to be completed? This restriction gives the film festival its name. You have 10 seconds.
It needs to be done in the movie should be under 168 minutes long.
No, that is not correct. Passes to Caleb.
I pass.
It goes to Dylan.
Pass.
Goes to Gokul.
Pass.
Okay. The film needs to be completed within a week. The filming needs to be completed in a week because 24 into 7 hours is 168 hours. Okay. So first question coming up for Dylan, right?
Caleb, right? This is
Yeah.
for
Okay,
Caleb.
Caleb, right. Caleb. On the electromagnetic spectrum, what name is given to waves with wavelength of 10 picometers to 10 nanometers, which is shorter than ultraviolet rays? Their name signifies an unknown type of radiation at the time of its discovery, a discovery that led to one of the inaugural Nobel Prizes in 1901.
X-rays.
X-rays is correct. Your second question coming up. The earliest ship excavated from Europe's Age of Discovery was a ship that was part of Vasco da Gama's second armada to India, but sank off the coast of Oman on its way. What was the ship's name? The name evokes not just a gemstone in its native language, but also a former Disney princess from the pages of a 19th century literary classic. You have 10 seconds. I need an answer now.
Bell.
Can you repeat that?
Bell.
No, that's not right. Dylan?
I have to pass.
Okay. Gokul?
Pass.
Rajiv?
Pass.
This is Esmeralda.
Oh shit. Yes.
First question for Dylan coming up. What is the most populous city in the Philippines? It is located immediately northeast of Manila in central Luzon and is named after a former Philippine president. It was the country's capital from 1948 to 1976.
Quezon City.
Can you repeat that?
Quezon City.
Quezon City is correct. Your second question coming up. American Gods from 2001 by Neil Gaiman. Which American manifestations of the old gods whose power have waned as their believers have decreased in numbers to participate in a battle against the new American gods, manifestations of modern life and technology? The Zoria sisters and American gods represent the morning, evening, and midnight. In Slavic lore, they guard and watch over which doomsday hound. It is said to be chained to the star Polaris in the constellation Ursa Minor, and if the chain ever breaks, the hound will devour the world.
Fenrir.
Can you repeat that?
Fenrir.
No, that's not right. Gokul? I need an
Pass.
answer now. Pass.
Pass.
Okay. Rajiv?
Pass.
Caleb?
Pass.
This is Simargl, Simargl. So we are done with, okay, we have one more question. No, I think we are.
You need to pass Caleb still.
Oh, okay. So after one round, we have Gokul with 2 and all the others at 1. First question for the next round coming up. Google again. China's largest video streaming platform is still expanding. As of January 2021, it ranked first among its rivals with a total of 176 million unique visitors in China, about 33 million more than that of Alibaba's Youku. What is the name of this Netflix of China? You have 10 seconds.
Something like Douyin.
No, that's not right. Rajiv,
Pass.
Caleb,
Is this Hulu?
not Hulu. Dylan,
S.
this is something called iQIYI. 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 The second question for Google coming up. Rohit Shetty has been the host for 5 seasons on which reality TV show? It was originally created by Endemol, and the US version was originally hosted by Joe Rogan, although musician Ludacris is the current host. Local name needed. Okay, you have 10 seconds.
English name won't work, right?
No,
I don't know. Darka,
I need an answer now.
Darka Mahal.
No, wrong. Rajiv,
Big Boss.
that's wrong. Dylan,
I know the American show, but I'll pass.
Caleb,
I only know the American one as well. Yeah, so I pass.
okay. This is something called Khatron Ke Khiladi. Apparently the Indian version of Fear Factor.
Yeah, it's Fear Factor here.
Okay. The first question for Rajiv coming up. Who commanded HMS Endeavour on its 1768 to 1771 voyage of discovery? While the ship was scuttled during the American War of Independence, you may see a replica alongside the Australian National Maritime Museum in Sydney Harbour.
Cook.
James Cook is correct. Rajiv, your second question coming up. Which football team, once in the English Premier League but now relegated, play their home games at Ewood Park? It has qualified for the UEFA Champions League once and the UEFA Cup 6 times. Their all-time best EPL goal scorer is Alan Shearer with 112.
Go with the Sheffield Wednesday.
That's not right. Dylan,
S.
Gokul,
Pass.
Caleb,
Blackburn Rovers.
that is correct. Good steal by
Didn't know they
Caleb.
got relegated.
First question for Caleb for this round coming up. In which TV show with a superpowered trio of artificially created siblings would you spot Miss Sarah Bellum? Bellum is the personal secretary and the brains behind the man of the mayor of Townsville. Depicted with strawberry red hair and dressed in a red suit, her face is almost never seen.
Carmen Sandiego.
That's not right. Dylan,
Powerpuff Girls.
that is correct.
What's the answer?
Powerpuff Girls.
Wow.
Wow, that's very.
Caleb, your second question coming up. Which doubly eponymous scientific experiment was conducted to simulate the conditions thought to be present on the early Earth and tested the chemical origin of life under those conditions. The experiment ended up generating amino acids, which are essential to life. It was performed in 1952 at the University of Chicago. You have 10 seconds.
No, I'll pass.
Gokul,
Yuri Miller.
Urey Miller experiment is correct.
Yeah.
Dylan's first question coming up. Which chef lends his name to one of the most prestigious food-related awards in the USA? The awards recognize chefs, restaurateurs, authors, and food writers each year, scheduled around his May 5 birthday. Recipients receive a medallion etched with his image.
Escoffier.
Not Escoffier. Gokul,
Pass.
Rajiv,
Pass.
Caleb,
Beard.
James Beard is correct. So, second question for Dylan coming up. Founded in 1999 as Blank Blank's Overlooked Film Festival, this event, held in Champaign, Illinois, is the only long-running film festival created by a critic. All invited guests are given an award known as the Golden Thumb, which is a casting of the critic's thumb in the up position. Who created this festival?
Roger Ebert.
Roger Ebert is correct. So after 2 rounds, we have Gokul, Caleb, and Dylan on 3, and Rajiv on 2. Long way to go. First question of round 3 for Gokul coming up. Which doubly eponymous partial differential equations describe the motion of viscous fluids? The people after whom these equations are named never actually work together. These equations are used extensively in video games to model natural phenomena like fire and smoke. We have 10 seconds.
Newton-Leibniz equations.
This is not Newton-Leibniz. Rajiv,
I'll pass it.
Dylan,
Navier-Stokes.
Navier-Stokes is correct.
If I had said Navier-Stokes, would you have given?
No,
No.
Navier as N-A-V-I-E-R.
That's all I remembered. Nave and Stokes.
I badly wanted to get that, but it was a direct to Srinath, I think, and he got it in our round. Okay,
Yeah.
second question for Gokul coming up. Which football team, once in the English Premier League but now relegated, has former Disney CEO Michael Eisner as its chairman? Yakubu is their all-time highest EPL scorer, a goal scorer. Uniquely, it is the only club in English professional football which is not located on the mainland of Great Britain. You have 10 seconds.
Charlton Athletic.
That's not right. Rajiv,
Pass.
Dylan,
Pass.
Caleb,
Pass.
This is Portsmouth. It's apparently on the Portsea Island.
Oh God. This is,
Well, that's
Oh,
very
gosh.
arguable.
yeah.
Okay. Rajiv, your first question for this round coming up. In which museum would you find Picasso's Guernica among many other masterpieces? It is named after the Queen Consort at the time of its establishment, someone who happens to be the current Queen Mother.
Called Maria Reina or Reina Maria.
No, I can't give that to you. Gokul,
Pass.
Dylan,
I'm gonna pass.
Caleb,
It's Reina Sofia.
Reina Sofia is correct. It's not Reina Maria. Sorry,
Yeah,
Rajiv.
close. Yeah, sorry, Rajiv.
I'm sorry, the Sofia was the highlighted part. You said Reina,
Yeah, yeah.
but Sofia was what was the
Yeah, fair.
Your second question. Which Netflix show does Erica feature in, where she is likely a friend of Mr. Peanut Butter? She has never been seen and might be seriously disfigured. Some say she could also be a felon or a sex offender, since the show says that she can't vote in elections or visit Disneyland.
BoJack Horseman.
BoJack Horseman is correct. Caleb, your first question for this round coming up. Which Amorite, was perhaps the best known king of the first Babylonian dynasty, reigning from 1792 BC onwards. He claimed to have received the text he is best known for from Shamash, the god of justice.
I'm gonna guess Hammurabi.
Hammurabi is correct. Your second question coming up. The world's deadliest mid-air collision happened over the Indian village of Charki Dadri near Delhi, resulting in 349 deaths. One of the planes, an Ilyushin IL-76, belonged to the Kazakhstan Airlines. Which Middle Eastern airline did the other aircraft belong to?
Saudi Air.
Yeah, I can accept Saudi Air. It's Saudi Arabian Airlines. Yeah, that's correct. Just a second. Dylan, your first question for this round coming up. Having reached 86 degrees north as part of Fridtjof Nansen's Arctic expedition in 1893 to 96, whose landmark expedition around 15 years later was the ship Fram part of?
Erie.
That's wrong. Gokul,
What did he say?
Peary. I need an answer now.
Pass.
Okay, Rajiv,
Amundsen.
Amundsen is correct.
That was easy, I thought.
You had only a few options.
Yeah.
When one is gone. Dylan, your second question coming up. Full name, please. Which Major League Baseball team is believed to have chosen its name as a play on another team called the Boston Braves, sometimes referred to as the Tribe? This team will change its controversial name following the 2021 season to the Guardians.
Cleveland Indians.
That's correct. So we are finished with 3 rounds. We have Caleb on 6, Dylan on 5, Rajiv on 4, and Gokul on 3. We have a nice arithmetic sequence there. First question of round 4 coming up for Gokul. Mr. Ibis in American Gods is a manifestation of which deity? This deity is credited by ancient Egyptians as the inventor of hieroglyphs and also as the scribe of the underworld. Appropriately, in the novel, Mr. Ibis writes short biographies of people who brought folkloric beings with them to America.
Thoth.
That's a very nice get. Thoth is correct.
Very nice.
Very nice.
The second question for this round coming up. This idiom originated from the early days of orchestra. In the orchestra, there is a prominent violinist who plays the melody. Then there is the role which leads the group of violins that play a supportive role to the lead violinist. What idiom is this, which means to be a subordinate to someone?
To play second fiddle.
That is correct. You want to this round for Gokul. Rajiv, your first question coming up. On the electromagnetic spectrum, what name is given to waves with the longest wavelength? Earlier, they were known as Hertzian waves after Heinrich Hertz, but were given their current name after a milestone discovery by Marconi.
I'll go with radio waves.
Radio waves is correct. Your second question coming up. Which city in Israel is named after a Zionist American businessman and philanthropist? In 1928, Oved Ben Ami and Itamar Ben Avi, two of the heads of the B'nai Binyamin Association, raised funds for the city with his help, and in return promised to name the new settlement after him.
I'll go with Herzliya.
Herzliya is not right. Gokul,
Pass.
Dylan,
Tel Aviv.
not Tel Aviv. Caleb,
Pass.
the answer is Netanya, named after Nathan Strauss, who was a co-founder of the Macy's.
Oh, nice. Tough one.
Stuff.
Caleb, your first one coming up. This American over-the-top video streaming service owned and operated by a certain Comcast subsidiary is named in reference to the NBC logo. It launched on July 15, 2020 and primarily shows content from NBC Universal Studios. Which service is this? You have 10 seconds. I need an answer now.
Yeah, I'll pass.
As Gokul,
Peacock.
Peacock is correct as a reference to the NBC logo. Your second question coming up, Caleb. Created in 1966, which city hosts the oldest film festival still active in Africa? It is named after a city not particularly well liked by the Roman politician Cato the Elder. The main prize awarded here is the Golden Tannet after a Phoenician goddess.
Carthage.
Carthage is correct. After Cato's Dylan est Carthage and all that. Dylan, your first question coming up. Music historians believe that this phrase is inaccurate because the class of instruments called the viol was not developed until the 11th century, and if anything, sitara or kitara, a heavy wooden instrument with 4 to 7 strings, may have been used. Meanwhile, the historian Tacitus noted that singing might have happened instead. What phrase is this?
Nero fiddled while Rome burned.
That's correct. Electromagnetic waves with the shortest wavelengths are known by which Greek letter? Named so by Lord Rutherford. It is based on their relatively strong penetration of matter as compared to two less penetrating types of decay radiation.
Gamma.
It's a good point. That is the gamma radiation. So we are halfway through this match. We have Caleb and Dylan on 7, Gokul on 6, Rajiv on 5. Still a long way to go. First question of round 5 to Gokul coming up. Which biblical entity from the book of Genesis is said to have been inspired by the Sumerian-built great ziggurat of Amarsin in the city of Eridu? Other scholars say it is associated with Etemenanki, a ziggurat in Babylon dedicated to the Mesopotamian god Marduk.
Tower of Babel.
Tower of Babel is correct. Your second question for this round coming up. Inderjit Singh Rayat was the only person convicted for bombing an aircraft bearing what name in 1985? This Boeing 747 was named after king of the Kushan dynasty, and the incident was the deadliest act of terrorism in its category until September 11.
Emperor Kanishka.
Kanishka is correct. Your first question coming up, Rajiv. Which chef with an alliterative name is the host of the TV show 30-Minute Meals? Although not a qualified chef professionally, her quick and easy cooking style features many simple recipes that need very little prep time. She also launched a magazine called Every Day with Blank Blank. Once the blanks are filled, the first two words will rhyme with the last two.
Borige.
No, that doesn't sound right. Gokul,
Pass.
Dylan,
Rachel Ray.
Rachel Ray is correct. Your second question coming up, Raji. Which movie is the most successful production to date in the cop universe created by Rohit Shetty? Ranveer Singh plays police officer Sangram Balerao, and the film should not be confused with a Disney franchise character. It is a part remake of the Telugu film Temper.
In just one word, I cannot see at the bottom. Let me just scroll.
Temper is the last word.
Sorry, repeat that word.
Temper.
Temper, is it?
The last, if you're talking about the last word, that it's a part remake of the Telugu film Temper, Temper.
Okay.
You have 10 seconds.
Say Rowdy Rathor.
That is not correct. Gokul,
Simba.
Simba is correct. Caleb, your first question for this round coming up. The Ark or Citadel of Karim Khan, the founder of the Zand dynasty, is a museum located in which city that served as its capital? The city is the capital of the Fars province and has been known as a cultural center since the 13th century, being the birthplace of poets like Hafiz and Sadi.
Isfahan.
Isfahan is not right. Rajiv, I need an answer.
I'll pass.
Gokul,
Pass.
Dylan,
I'll pass.
Is it Tabriz?
this is not Tabriz, this is Shiraz in Iran.
Ah, yeah. I mean,
That was my second guess.
Tough luck. Your second question, Caleb. Full name, please. Which Major League Baseball team was called the Highlanders till 1912? The more popular name was already appearing in the press by 1904 and was a synonym for American. Moreover, the name was also in public consciousness at the time, thanks to the popularity of a song by George M. Cohan. The team also has the unofficial nickname Pinstripers.
The New York Yankees.
New York Yankees is correct. Dylan, your first question coming up. The name of which streaming service comes from two Mandarin Chinese words meaning calabash/bottle gourd and interactive recording. According to founding CEO Jason Kilar, the word had a great sort of symbolism of the holder of precious things, which is the holder of premium content.
Quibi.
This is not Quibi. Rajiv,
Hulu.
Hulu is correct. Good picker. Dylan, your second question coming up. What
Sorry,
is the
this for
latest?
Dylan.
Excuse me. I'm sorry.
Dylan's question.
Okay. What is the latest movie in Rohit Shetty's Cop universe? The release of this film with Akshay Kumar in the lead has been pushed back many times due to the pandemic. The title sounds similar to a 1992 Salman Khan movie.
Pass.
Gokul,
Pass.
Rajiv, I need an answer now. Okay, I'll pass you. Caleb,
Pass.
Is it something like Maine Pyar Kiya types?
this is Suryavanshi.
Suryavansham. Okay.
Tough luck, everyone. After 5 rounds, we have Gokul leading at 9, Caleb and Dylan at 8, and Rajiv at 6. Still close game and a lot of questions to go. Gokul, your first question for this round. John Forsythe originally played the role of patriarch Blake Carrington in the 1980s show Dynasty. However, which famous unseen character, often referred to mononymously, did he voice in a TV series between 1976 to 1981? He reprised the role in the 2000 and 2003 film adaptations as well. You have 10 seconds.
An.
Can you repeat that?
An.
No, that doesn't sound right. Rajiv,
Is this Charlie from Charlie's Angels?
that is correct. Charlie or Charles Townsend. Gokul, your second question coming up. This city, the capital of its namesake state, is the foremost industrial center in Latin America. It was given its name by Jesuit missionaries who founded it as a village on January 25, 1554, on the anniversary of the conversion of this city's patron saint. Which city is this?
Rio de Janeiro.
That's not right. Rajiv,
I'll take another guess. Sao Paulo.
Sao Paulo is correct. Good pickup, Rajiv.
I basically said Sao and let's see what can I fit to it. So
Your own direct coming up. One of the most important in ancient Mesopotamia, which city is most famous for its great king Gilgamesh? It is considered the first true city in the world and is believed to have given rise to the modern name for a country.
I will go with Ur. You are.
That's not right. Gokul,
Gilgamesh is from Nineveh.
That's not right. Caleb,
I'll pass.
Dylan,
Uruk.
Uruk is correct, from which apparently we get Iraq.
Oh,
That's what I meant, yeah. Chah.
Sorry about that, Jay. Tough luck. Your second question coming up. Consider the most famous failed experiment in science, which doubly eponymous experiment started off by trying to determine the existence of luminiferous ether. However, it ended up proving that the velocity of light in vacuum is absolutely constant, though some dispute this outcome now.
This is the Michelson-Morley experiment.
That's correct.
And still devastated by Uruk. Uruk, yeah. Chah.
You did pick up a couple of points, so
That
you
is
should
true.
rest. You should,
Okay, I'll relax.
yeah, you should relax. I think, Caleb, your first question. The mysterious conman Mr. Wednesday in American Gods is a manifestation of which Norse god of war and death? You have 10 seconds.
Thor.
Thor is not right. Gokul,
Wednesday, so I say Odin.
That's
Odin
correct.
is correct.
Yeah, I should have got. I was thinking Odin, but I didn't know he's war and death.
Yeah,
It's
those
bad
are.
news.
Wednesday is
Caleb, your
Wednesday.
second one.
Yeah, Odin's Day.
Which football team, once in the English Premier League but now relegated, is considered to be London's oldest extant professional football club? Clint Dempsey, 50 goals, is their all-time EPL goal scorer.
I'm going to say Fulham.
Oh, that's a good guess and got it right. That is indeed Fulham. Dylan, your first question coming up. In which TV show does Diane Evans serve as Special Agent Dale Cooper's secretary and confidant? While working on cases, Cooper routinely dictates cassette tapes for Diane, both to request special items and to record his findings. Unseen in the initial run, Evans was played by Laura Dern in the 2017 revival of this show.
Twin Peaks.
Twin Peaks is correct. Your second question coming up. Around 2400 BC, Sumerian was slowly replaced by which now extinct Semitic language as the primary spoken language in Mesopotamia. Eventually, Sargon I conquered most of the Sumerian city-states and established the world's first empire, which shares its name with the language.
Akkadian.
Akkadian is correct. So after 6 rounds, we have Dylan 11, Gokul 10, and Rajiv and Caleb on 9. Still a close game. Couple of rounds to go. Gokul, your first question for this round coming up. Mesopotamia, inaugurated in December 2019, the largest museum in Southeast Asia is named after which monarch who died in 2016 and was, at the time of his death, the second longest reigning monarch of all time in the world.
Bhumibol Adulyadej or Ramanayan.
Is correct. Your second question coming up. On the electromagnetic spectrum, what misnomer represents waves with wavelength longer than infrared rays? They were named simply because their wavelength was shorter in comparison to another set of waves whose discovery preceded theirs. It may be said that their most well-known use is in the kitchen.
Microwave.
That is correct.
The clues.
Luck of the draw there. Rajiv, your first question coming up. Picking an appropriate name for this streaming company was a drawn-out process. From Reply and Now Showing to Cinema Center, a number of names were considered for the platform. However, they decided to name it Kibble temporarily until they could think of something better. What is the current name of this company that was co-founded by Mark Randolph? You have
I'll
10
go
seconds.
with the Twitch.
It's not which. Caleb,
Pass.
Dylan,
S.
Gokul. I need an answer now.
I'll pass. I have a bunch of guesses.
I hope it's not
You should have
Netflix.
gone with the most obvious one. This is Netflix.
Netflix only, right? Yeah.
It was Netflix.
Oh,
Your second
Clearly,
question, Rajiv.
it's
Full
not
name,
like the-
please. Which Major League Baseball team's name is a reference to the rattlesnake species Crotalus atrox? This snake is a common feature in the desert in and around the team's home state, which features in the team name. The name could also be a reference to a baseball field, which is sometimes called a blank.
with Arizona Diamondbacks.
That's correct.
Arizona Diamondbacks.
Point, Rajiv.
Wow.
Caleb, your first question coming up. What is the first film in Rohit Shetty's Cop universe starring Ajay Devgan in the titular role? It is the remake of a Tamil film of the same name that starred Surya. This movie and its sequel have earned over Indian rupees 270 crores in revenue.
I'm sure this is very obvious, but I have no idea, so I'll pass.
Dylan,
S.
Gokul,
Hope this is right. Singham.
Singham is correct. The name of which European capital city is connected to the name of its patron goddess and originates from a legendary contest between the patron goddess and a famous sea god? This contest has been described by Herodotus, Apollodorus, Ovid, Plutarch, Pausanias, among others.
Well, I'm assuming this is Athens from Athena.
You assume correctly. Get a point for that. Last set of questions for this round coming up. Dylan, what doubly eponymous name is given to the state of matter when a group of atoms are cooled to very close to absolute zero? At this point, the atoms have no free energy and the group starts behaving like a single atom.
Bose-Einstein condensate.
That's correct.
Yeah. Your
second question. Which football team, once in the English Premier League but now relegated, takes part in the Tyne-Wear Derby against Newcastle United? Kevin Phillips with 61 is their all-time EPL goal scorer.
Leeds.
It's not Leeds. Caleb?
Sunderland.
Sunderland is correct. So after 7 rounds, we have Gokul with 13, Dylan with 12, Caleb with 11, and Rajiv with 10. It's still anyone's game, I would say. So first set questions of the last round to Gokul. In addition to the HMS Erebus, which was the other ship on Sir John Franklin's ill-fated expedition to traverse the Northwest Passage, the ship lends its name to a 2007 novel by Dan Simmons, which was the source material for a TV series of the same name on this expedition, with Ridley Scott as an executive producer. You have 10 seconds.
Blanking on the name. Pass.
Pass. Rajiv,
Terror.
can you just repeat that?
TERROR. Terror.
Correct. That's correct. We'll pick up Rajiv. Gokul, your second question coming up. In which city's film festival is the most awaited event and open air screening on its most famous landmark? F.W. Murnau's Sunrise and Fritz Lang's Metropolis have been shown on this landmark. However, the most appropriate film to be shown here is a 1925 silent classic. Separately, it is also the name of a people's film collective from South India.
Odessa.
Odessa is correct, and the reference being to Battleship Potemkin. Odessa step scene. Rajiv, your two questions coming up. Kinzelman in American Gods protects Lakeside, Wisconsin from economic trouble in return for the town's children as sacrifices. He is what kind of a household spirit from Germanic myth? The spirit lends its name to a chemical element, as medieval miners blamed it for the poisonous nature of the arsenical ores of this metal.
This is kobold, KOBOLD, kobold or
The
kobold.
super answer, Rajiv. I wouldn't have accepted the element name cobalt. We needed
Oh,
cobalt.
wow. My questions have been really something. Anyways, go on.
The second question for you. The deadliest non-terrorist aviation disaster in history happened when two Boeing 747 jets, KLM Flight 4805 and Pan Am Flight 1736 collided on the runway at Los Rodeos Airport on which Spanish island? This catastrophic disaster resulted in 583 casualties.
Tenerife.
Tenerife is correct. Caleb, your first question coming up. Matthew 6:2 in the King James Bible advises one not to boast about one's charitable deeds. It says, when thou dost thine alms, do not blank before thee, as the hypocrites do in the synagogues and in the streets, that they may have glory of men. This is an early form of what common phrase that has been blanked out? You have 10 seconds. I need an answer now.
I'll pass.
Pass. Dylan?
Is it like tooting your own horn?
No, that's not right. Gokul?
Do not sing praises before thee.
No, that's wrong. Rajiv?
Is it trumpet or play the trumpet your achievement, something like that?
I prompt.
Essentially that, right? You trumpet your achievements, you play the trumpeting of your achievements, or when you douse and do not.
Just a second. Shreyas, I think you're here. Can I give it for that?
If the second word is not, is the first word marked in bold?
It looks like it.
Yeah, I
See,
think
that is how you did for all the questions, right? You gave it for half.
No. Just a second. I mean, I go by what is marked, so I just want to confirm with him. In your face this here.
Unfortunately, it's a close one, but I don't think we can give it. I'm sure
Rajiv, it
others-
is blow your own trumpet.
No. Yeah.
No.
It's fine, yeah.
I'm sorry
Yeah,
about that.
nowadays we use the phrase trumpeting your achievements. Like, okay.
Basically
Yeah.
everything I said, but more
I'm
fancy.
sorry about that. Because
Doesn't fit
both
the
words
box.
have been bolded here. Sorry about that. Your second question coming up.
I think you
Not
have to
wrong.
put him wrong first.
That's correct. We should do that.
Okay.
Caleb, your second question coming up. Which chef is perhaps better known for his iconic highlighted hair, Oakley sunglasses, and bowling shirts more than his cooking? Beyond cooking shows, he has also hosted the game show Minute to Win It. You have 10 seconds.
Jamie.
No, that's not right. Dylan?
Guy Fieri.
Guy Fieri is correct. Your own 2 questions, the last 2 questions of this match coming up. What was the original name of the Bhau Daji Lad Museum in Mumbai? Although now renamed after the scholar / antiquarian who contributed heavily to the museum's collection, the museum was originally named for a prominent couple from the 19th century. Incidentally, this couple also lent their names to another similar establishment in another country.
The Victoria and Albert Museum.
So that's correct. The last question of this match coming up. A 1983 Korean air flight from New York to Seoul was destroyed in flight by missiles fired from an interceptor aircraft, killing all 269 people on board after it had entered another country's prohibited airspace. This was true as the pilots made a navigational mistake that resulted in the plane entering a no-go zone. Which country shot the plane down? This incident prompted the US to make GPS systems public.
I will say Israel.
It's not Israel. Caleb?
Soviet Union.
That is correct. Soviet Union or Russia is correct. So we have Dylan and Gokul tied at 14. Rajiv, I'm sorry, Rajiv, about that, at the 3rd spot with 13, and Caleb with 12. So good game, everyone. And so I'll stop sharing my screen. So good game, everyone. That was very close. And
Thank you,
Yeah.
guys.
Yes, very well played.
Yeah,
Thanks for
good
reading.
right, everyone. And that's it, I guess. So I'll
Okay, bye.
bye.
Bye
Bye.
bye.
Good night.